We are taking surf lessons.
This morning we are hopping in a van with a group of people we have never met before, and we are heading straight to the beach for our first ever surf lesson. We want to be able to say that we stood up on the board at least once. Now whether that actually happens or not, we'll just have to wait and see. It's going to be a blast regardless. We've made it to our destination. Jonathan, what are we doing today?
We are taking surf lessons.
Let's go.
Push down. Rocking a major wedgie. Look at you. Look at you.
In the first part of the lesson, we learned how to push up. And now it's back on the beach to learn how to actually stand up on the board and how to fall, because that will be happening a lot.
Is there a good way to fall or just...
So you kind of like fall gracefully?
Fall. You haven't met her yet. Now getting out of the wetsuit.
I'm so tired.
How was it? First time surfing.
I think it's safe to say that neither one of us will be pro surfers anytime soon.
Now Brittany gets to try to get, I want to see you try to get out of the bottom of these things. What kind of form was that?
We just finished our surf lesson. We're about to get back on the bus and head back to Lisbon. All around, it was a great time. We are
Very beginner.
fresh to the surfing
If there was a
game.
stage under beginner, that's us. We're like on the sand. We're still practicing on the sand.
We're pretty much under the water the whole time.
We came in here and we said we want to get up one time.
And we did it.
We did it.
One time. Making our way downtown.
Walking fast.
Days.
Faces pass.
And I'm homebound.
Alright, so you don't mind listening to everything again?
Yeah.